Hey guys, it's Davita with WTI. Let me tell you that I have spent the longest time trying to find the perfect cropped vest, but my search is over. I can honestly say this is the most perfect vest that I have ever had. I love it so much. This is the Shiyifa high-necked zipped cropped vest, and it is puffy. It almost feels like it has down material in it. It's super warm, it's perfect for the cooler weather, and I love it because you can either wear it with the collar down or the collar zipped all the way up, and it almost feels like a scarf around your neck. It keeps your body extremely warm. What I like about it is that it kind of cinches your waist. So because of the crop, it makes you look like you have more curves and a small waist, which, ladies, let's face it, we all want that. I am so happy and excited to be using this in my wardrobe, and I'm honestly thinking about getting other colors just because of how great the quality of this vest is. So I definitely recommend trying it out. I do not think you'll be disappointed, and that is my point of view.